bored of my gaming. I've been playing too long. From Project Gotham to Halo, I'd even tired of Pong. But then I picked up a new game, one my friends never knew. I put a post on the forums to try to find a player too. If you like Viva Pinata, but you feel all ashamed, your friends don't understand you because you like a kid's game. If you play co-op games at midnight when nobody can see, I got room on my friends list. Send an invite to me. I started tending my garden. The grass had started to sprout, but I kept it all hidden so my Halo clan would not find out. I logged into the forums to see if someone came by, and in a personal message I got a single reply. Yes, I like Viva Pinata, and I feel quite ashamed. All my friends think it's stupid, and they call me rude names. I'm up for Viva games at midnight when nobody can see. Hit me up for some co-op. Your secret is safe with me. So I turned on my Xbox and got a new friend request. But when I heard who had sent it, I would never have guessed. It was my clanmate from Halo, and I said, oh, it's you. Then we laughed for a moment, and I said I never knew that you like Viva Pinata, but nobody could know that you're proud of your garden and its horsetachios. Just make yourself a second gamer tag to ensure privacy. But if you want those achievements, come play co-op with me. If you like Viva Pinata, but you feel all ashamed, your friends don't understand you.
It's party time!
Viva Pinata, filled with fun.
Filled with fun!
Enjoy them. Viva Pinata, filled with fun.
Filled with fun!
Viva Pinata, don't be
Welcome to picturesque Pinata Island. In its many gardens, all manner of pinatas live, dance, and dream that one day they will be chosen to entertain at a party as only pinatas can. Well, most pinatas, that is.
Oh, fudge! Shake it, shake it, shake it like a party animal. Break it, break it, break it like a party animal. Shake it, shake it, shake it like a party animal. Break it, break it, break it, break it, break it, break it, break it. Viva Pinata, filled with fun.
Filled with fun!
Viva Pinata, don't be enjoy them. Viva Pinata, filled with fun. Viva Pinata, don't be enjoy them. Viva Pinata.
It's party time! Yeah! Oh yeah!
Viva Pinata!
Viva, viva, pinata, yada, yada!
There's a place for everything sweeter. Step on the candy off the G-meter. Meet all the candy-filled creatures. All pinatas love to dance. Feel the music start to prance. Boogie like they're dancing our pants.
Welcome to picturesque Pinata Island. In its many gardens, all manner of pinatas live, dance, and dream that one day they will be chosen to entertain at a party as only pinatas can. Well, most pinatas, that is.
How fun!
Shake it, shake it, shake it.
Like a party animal.
Break it, break it, break it.
Like a party animal.
Shake it, shake it.
Like a party animal.
Like a party animal.
Lots of up and lots of bounce. But it's what's inside that can of delicious candy in large amounts. So grab a stick and take a swing. Do the pinata thing. Come to the place where party is king.
Over here, guys.
Oh, big fun.
Well, get over here already.
If you want to find us, don't you look in the book?
We're not there.
We're on Pinata Island, come take a look.
Ha!
We're filling up with fun to give your party a swing.
Swing, baby.
You know the party's our thing.
Yeah! Leave a pinata, we dance in the sun. You got pinata,
The party's begun.
sweet. Just taste our candy.
We're sure you'll agree.
Saying pinatas are the ones for me.
At Pinata Central, where we make all the fun.
We max with candiosity to get the job done.
You know, and if you call us over, we'll be there right away.
For a price.
You know, we party all
I'm really at
day.
the parties. Any guess?
Viva Pinata, we dance in the sun.
Come on now.
You got pinata, the party's begun. That's right. Just taste our candy, we're sure you'll agree. Saying pinatas are the ones for me.
Look at me, Mom, dancing.
Dancing, dancing, dancing.
What are you, crazy?
Ha ha ha. That's it.
Yeah, baby. Let's boogie.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about.
You know I'm dancing.
Here we go.
If you want to find us, don't
Don't
you?
you look in the book?
It's me, right? It's me.
We're on Pinata Island. Come take a look.
Oh, we're filling up with fun to give your party a swing.
Swang, swang. You know the party's our thing. Bongo. Viva Pinata, we dance in the sun. Yeah. You got pinata, the party's begun.
With maximum
This is our
horsepower.
candy, we're sure you'll agree. Saying pinatas are the ones for me. One more time. Saying pinatas are the ones for me. For me and you, baby. Oi, 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 oi. Give me rock candy. So it's not really always up when even though I know it. What say I'm on the see when we were the one that Oi, oi, oi. Give me rock candy. Oi, oi, oi. Give me rock candy. Rock candy. Oi, oi, oi. Rock candy.
Oh, baby, they may call me a fool, but I can't help our gravitational pull. When I stuff you with cotton candy, it reminds me you're so sweet. When we go riding, it's dandy, the way you hang onto the seat. Baby, when I'm with you, our love is stronger than glue. Whoa! Oh, baby! There isn't anything, there's nothing in the world I wouldn't do for you. Hey! Let go of her, you cat eaters! No! Get away! Hi-ya! Hi-ya! Wah-cha! Hi-ya! Hi-ya! Wah-cha! Ya-ya! Wah-cha! 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 Ya! Hi-ya! Ya-ya! Ya-ya! Patty? You okay, sweetums? I'm so sorry. I'll never let you out of my sight again, and I'll always keep you out of harm's way. Oh, baby, I love you so strong. That's why I'm singing this song. Your looks are sweeter than honey, from your pickles to your buns. It ain't even funny. I'm coming for you. Oh no! Look at you! Don't worry, Patty. I'll take care of this. There you go. All better. Oh, baby. After a long day of camping, it's nice to unwind with a nice, relaxing campfire song. I call this one the Campfire Song. Let's gather around the campfire and sing our campfire song. Our CAMPFIRESONG song. And if you don't think that we can sing it faster, then you're wrong. But it'll help if you just sing along. CAMPFIRESONG song. CAMPFIRESONG song. And if you don't think that we can sing it faster, then you're wrong. But it'll help if you just sing along. CAMPFIRESONG song. Patrick!
Sword! C-A-M-P-F-I-R-E!
Squidward! Good! It'll help if you just sing along.
Gary, now I know I was wrong. I messed up and now you're gone. Gary, I'm sorry I neglected you. Oh, I never expected you to run away and leave me feeling this empty. Your meow right now would sound like music to me. Please come home, 'cause I miss you, Gary.
Gary, come home.
Gary, come home.
Gary, come home.
Gary, can't you see I was blind? I'll do anything to change your mind. More than a pet, you're my best friend. Too cool to forget. Come back, 'cause we are family. And forgive me for making you wanna roam. And now my heart is beating like the saddest metronome. Somewhere I hope you're reading my latest 3-word poem. Gary, come home.
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 Gary, come home. Gary, won't you come home?
I'm a goofy goober. You're a goofy goober. We're all goofy goobers. Goofy, goofy, goober, goober. Put your toys away. Well, all I gotta say when you tell me not to play, I say no way. No way, no, 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 no way. I'm a kid, you say. When you say I'm a kid, I say it again. And then I say thank you very much.
What is fun? Let me spell it for you. F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. N is for anywhere and anytime at all.
Down here in the deep blue sea.
F is for fire that burns down the whole town, used for uranium bombs. N is for no survivors when you're...
Plankton. Those things aren't what fun is all about. Now, do it like this. F is for friends who do stuff...
Never! That's completely idiotic.
Here, let me help you. F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. Try it!
N is for anywhere and anytime at all.
Down here in the deep blue sea.
Wait, I don't understand this. I feel all tingly inside. Should we stop?
No, that's how you're supposed to feel.
Well, I like it. Let's do it again!
Okay!
F is for frolic through all the flowers. U is for ukulele. N is for nose picking, sharing gum and sun licking here with my best buddy.
Mutiny.